Hi guys, I finally landed in the mystical land of Orlando. The last time I was here was actually 20 years ago, and the airport looks the same. I just saw Romano's Macaroni Grill, which was huge in the 2000s, I think. Here for my birthday weekend. My birthday's actually on Monday, and I'm flying home on Monday, but it's okay. And yeah.
I waited here for 5 hours. I'm actually a United sponsor, so please get the United Explorer card. I sat in that lounge, I was eating mac and cheese, meatballs, gelato, cookies, coffee, wraps. Yeah, just anything I could ask for. Watch baseball. Boston stinks. We're 4 up.
Just went on Monsters Unchained. Yeah, it was light. It was really fun.
From the club, and I know you're drunk. Yeah, I know you're drunk. I thought you had enough. Yeah, I thought you had enough. On the grill, and you turning up.
Okay, so we did get rained on, like really, really hard. We are now in line for Hiccup's wing gliders, I think. It was dreadful. My bangs are gone, but it's all good. I think it's past for now. But we're gonna be in line for like an hour, so that's our update. That was so fun. I think it's because
Watching How to Train Your Dragon.
I need to watch the live action actually, but I think because the sun came out too, so it was really, really nice. I'm kind of starving, so we're gonna go try to get the mac. Sorry, I thought they were gonna show our photos, but they didn't. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get the mac and cheese cone, and then walk around a little bit before we go to the Harry Potter stuff, maybe. Good?
One fish minus one.
Yes! Oh my god. Little bomb. I was gonna skip this ride, but it started drizzling and I freaked out and I ducked into here. So now we're on a 2-hour wait.
One night, let me just come over to your place. Don't overthink about it. Some nights, I might run away to you and see the skies, they getting gloomy. Baby, won't you tell me your mood? Are you feeling blue? Yeah. Are you feeling blue? Are you feeling blue? Whoa, are you feeling?
Ooh. Oh, it's really perfect. What other food are you looking to get there?
Ice cream. And then I know other places, but I don't have any like wants ones.
Pizza. Give me the rest of your Yeah, it's supposed to hurt. Oh, that's actually interesting.
First time we're in France together.
So fun. This is where the cheese is from.
Okay, so we just got off the Ministry of Magic ride, and it was fine. It was how I feel about most Harry Potter rides, which is like very screen oriented, a few animatronics, but it was fine. The queue was really cool. Now we want to go to the circus show, which starts at 6:30. It's currently almost 6. We're gonna get a crepe really quick and then join the queue. And this is what I get for standing in the rain. Oh wait! Whoa! Imagine it was like Pink Panthers or something. Okay, I've calmed down a bit, I guess. Now we're gonna go get in queue for the actual show because the original one we were going to got canceled. We weren't allowed to film inside the show, but we did make it in. And now we're gonna go on, I think, our last...
Let's turn to our canoe.
I think we're gonna go on our last ride of the night, which will be Minecart Madness.
We're going to Donkey Kong Country.
Yes.
Zoe, please post those Congos from the Nintendo GameCube right here. And yeah, if you know, you know.
Bring me back to Donkey Kong Country.
Epic.
Epic. Yes! 8:32. And the ride just started up again. So I'm excited.
Okay.
We have made it inside. Can I get a time check? Do not fret, Austin. Yeah. I'm actually a little nervous about tomorrow because I think it's gonna be more wet, and we're going to islands tomorrow, so. Yeah.
That bongo brain bozo can hypnotize you.
Guys, that ride experience was such a
They scammed us.
That ride experience was such a letdown that I got myself a mango smoothie. So like earlier I got the apple melon one, and I told myself I was gonna get this if I wanted to. So
We were all clapping and cheering at the fact that the banana would light up on top of the sky. There was lights. It's either you tap your thingy, and then if they tap it correctly, then it's rainbows. But if it's not, then it's red. And everybody was reacting to exactly what happened. If it lit up, everyone's cheering. If it
I
didn't,
thought it was cute and funny. But here's my thing with that smoothie was really good, by the way. Both the flavors are really good. Apple melon still clears, but that's really good. Here's my thing with that ride, okay? There was no music, no nothing, okay? It's just like the grandpa like Kong going like, before they find the golden banana. And then it was just like silence. And there was a few fun rides, a few drops and stuff like that, but just music alone would have made the incomplete experience just a little bit better in my opinion. But yeah, we're going home. Thank you, Epic Universe. We won't be back for another 10 years maybe.
Yep.
Yeah. Hi, good morning. It's Islands of Adventure Day. I completely forgot to put in lip balm in my bag. I was transferring my bags, so I'm kind of feeling peeved about that, but I'm excited. I think we're gonna go on some of the more intense rides first since the lines don't look too bad, and then we're gonna eat. And this is my It's Gonna Rain fit. People go wild for the city walk. This is crazy because the last time I was here was actual 20 years ago. That was so good.
I feel alive.
I feel awake. I think I need to get a little snack and then I think we're gonna go to Hong Kong, and then we're gonna wrap all the way around to like the Dr. Seuss stuff to get a real to Kong to get a meal. But yeah, that was so good. We just braved the rain and we're at Green Eggs and Ham. We're gonna get some tots. This is the rain jacket situation. I got these from Daiso. They do break like somewhat easily, so it's not a long-term thing, but if you want a rain jacket for a few dollars before you get to the parks, highly recommend.
Yeah, versus $5.
We survived, and now we're gonna eat our first real meal of the day, which I'm craving a burger, so we're gonna go get one. No, on the side.
I've never eaten fries this way ever. There's no space. I love
Okay.
burgers.
Me too. I don't know if you can see behind me, but it's really, really rainy. But I honestly feel very satisfied because I feel like I planned this out very well. But this is the burger. I'm getting it now. Austin, how are you feeling?
I'm grateful that we're sitting. Yeah, my feet hurt.
Okay.
I know it is wet, and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun. That is funny. Bars, Seuss. Bars. Just tank Cat in the Hat. Healing 20-year-old trauma.
It was terrifying.
Please, right over there by the sign, I think is good. And then you
Okay, so we're currently in a store about to head out to dinner, but we did end up going on Hagrid's, and I think it was one of my favorite rides of the day. So I think we opened with one of my favorites, which is the Velocicoaster, and then ended with one of my favorites, which was Hagrid's. I think the line was like about an hour and a half, but by the time we got out there, it was raining, so I could like barely see, but it was really, really fun. And now we're gonna end the night early. Let's see. It's about 6:30, so I think we're gonna go get some dinner and go home.
Shout out Craven.
We should eat it together.
Do you want anything else?
I can go for another one, only if you're getting one.
Lobster?
You want another lobster?
I want one lobster.
I'd get another Toro, please. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, our first time in New York. We have never been here before. just got off Men in Black. We got noticed that Escape from Gringotts is open, so we're gonna go to Diagon Alley now. Started raining a little bit, and Austin freaked out because a herd of people, just like a swarm, went into Gringotts. So we are at the Leaky Cauldron to eat, and I'm really excited because it's my first meal of the day. Round 2. Good. Mini pie, fish and chips, butterbeer. Austin. So with fish and chips. Always, always, always gotta have some milk in there. That'll do it. We just went on Escape from Gringotts. It said
Mid.
like it's a little bit mid. The beginning was nice though. I think actually it goes Hagrid's, Gringotts, Battle of the Ministry, and then the Forbidden Journey, I would say, in terms of Harry Potter rides. But the nice thing is we went on the single riders, and it only took us 30 minutes to get through it. So, yeah, now we're gonna go on the Simpsons because it's a 5-minute wait, and Austin's never been. And then we're gonna get our donut and bounce out of here probably.
The Simpsons is actually hilarious. Big thing.
Yeah!
I'm gonna look it up.
Here?
Turn the corner?
Yeah, you see right here?
Oh my gosh, you're kidding.
I'm not gonna lie. I thought we got a regular size donut.
This is pretty bad.
This is big bag.
Minions! After the most grueling Uber experience ever, I took a nap in Barnes & Noble for, how long, 20 minutes?
Yep.
20 minutes, and now we're gonna eat. Oh, right here.
This is Mariah the Scientist, but it's copyrighted, so you can't hear it.
Knock on. Morning. My voice is kind of scuffed, probably from yelling on the rides. It's my birthday, so you probably won't even see this video till like November, let's be honest. Super, super grateful for another year of life. To God be all the glory. And yeah, we're going to get some lunch, go to a coffee shop, get dessert, I think. Basically just eat and explore for a few hours before we go to the airport and go our separate ways. But it's been a really, really great trip. And I am really, really excited to go home as well.